Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome, my name is Jasmine. Today we're going to be going over so many spoilers, guys. We have spoilers for December and January. Most of these are confirmed. I'm going to share some not confirmed, but also I'm going to share with you guys all of the choice items that are for the December box. And if you haven't done so, you still have an opportunity for you to make your selections for either base, premium, or box deluxe. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to talk about the December base box, and as you know, that choice item, you're going to be able to do that. If you have not upgraded to box deluxe and you just want to have the base box, which is $25 every month, then you're going to be able to make your selection from these three items that I'm going to be showing you. But if you have upgraded to box deluxe, then I'm going to show you what the choice items are further along this video. So the first item to choose from for the base box, this is Ofra Cosmetics. This is a pressed banana powder. We have not seen Ofra in a long time with Boxycharm. I think that was when I first started. They would include the lipstick, so I'm glad to see Ofra again. This is going to be for the December base box. When you see a special price like that, that means that it's actually available in the Boxy pop-up, which is open, and you guys are going to be able to shop and save so much money. So option number 2 is Glamnetic Baby Girl Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. This sounds so interesting, and I've seen videos about this, that applying the liner makes it even easier for you to apply your lashes. So I am loving this because you don't have to use the glue. Hopefully this does work. There is another option. As you see, these are more baby girl lashes, are more soft and probably day-to-day wear. These are more it's called Bella lashes, so you get to choose the type of lashes you would like to get, and I am liking both of them. They sound pretty good. But then there's another item. This is Sutra Beauty, the ceramic curling iron in purple. We had this I believe it was a year ago, and I think it was a choice as well. So now if you're new, especially now you just have the base box, then you might be able to select that item if this is something you would like to get. So now that we know those items, I was actually thinking that maybe these brands that were revealed previously, like Huda Beauty, Tarte, and Elemis, I thought these were going to be the ones for choice. That wasn't the case, but that let us know that we're going to be getting these items for the base box for the month of December. And it has been revealed what item from Huda Beauty. I was expecting a palette. I am so glad it's a palette. From the choice or from the beauty email questionnaires that some of you guys have been getting, they have been asking more for the pastel colors. So I was thinking that the Huda Beauty would be the pastel palette, but it has been shown, the one that they shown is the Ruby Obsession, but it looks like this is going to be a variation. And the other palette that is very similar to the Huda Beauty is Artist Couture. Look at this palette. It's called Caliente, and that's exactly what it is. It's very spicy, very colorful, so pretty. I'm loving the color as well. They're very similar, I believe. But guys, it looks like this will be a variation. So far we already know what Huda Beauty item is going to be. Now we're pending to see what Tarte and Elemis is going to be for the base box. Now let's go ahead and move on to December 2020, the premium box. And these are the choice items. I love that they're palettes once again, and we're able to choose with between a neutral palette, which is the 01 from Vice Art eyeshadow palette. As you see, the price retails for $80. This is a neutral matte, but if you like a little bit more color, then you could pick the neutral matte, which is 02 to it. So this is a choice item for premium. It's a palette, and you're able to select the palette you prefer. So pretty, and I'm so glad to see that in the box for premium. Here is something else we know for premium. These were the brands that were revealed previously, and as you know, we could scratch this one because we already know what that is. So the ones that are pending is Elemis and Glam Glow. But today we saw a video live from Joe, and he was showing us these items. He did say these items are for premium. He did not confirm it's for December. He did say premium. The brand that was revealed is Elemis. I'm guessing this is coming for the premium December box, but like I said, he did say premium. I did not hear him confirm for December. Have an idea what is coming for premium. And one of those items is Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. This is such a great brand, and I love this brand. And this brand, we have been seeing it throughout for years now with Boxycharm, and I've seen how my skin has improved. So I'm excited to see two different types of products there. I'm also excited to see the other product, which is Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial, and I believe I mentioned this to you guys on an email survey that was sent, and it was interesting because of the word pillow facial. I did talk to you guys a little bit about that, so I was excited to see now more confirmed into the premium box. Now this is confirmed, guys, for January 2021. We're still on the premium box, but this is way further along. This is going to be for next year, so this is confirmed. This is a palette, and as you can tell by the details already, this is from Ofra Cosmetics, and I'm loving, you're not only getting the highlighter, this is a face palette. You have blush, you have the bronzer, you have that big highlighter there. So there's different products or colors in there from one palette. And another thing that we learned watching this, as this was being revealed, is that this is going to be an exclusive item to Boxycharm from Ofra Cosmetics. So we just saw Ofra a choice for the base box for December, not for January. This is coming to the premium box, but guys, that is coming for everybody. So every charmer that has the premium box is going to be getting this palette. Now moving on, he also mentioned, he was asking us about Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar Moisturizing Nectar, and he was asking, what do we think about this? Now I'm saying this is going to be premium, possibly future item and future brands. He did mention in another video that these are the brands for us to expect coming soon or coming in the future. And it's Laura Mercier, Fenty Beauty, Skincare, a new brand. And this is where this comes in. He mentioned that a skincare new brand was coming to Boxycharm. Then he was showing us and asking, what do we think about it? So putting two and two together, I believe this is confirmed. This item is confirmed for maybe December or probably for starting in January. He also mentioned that Pharmacy is coming back to Boxycharm, Glow Recipe, Tarte, Too Faced, and Violet Voss. Guys, I am so excited to see these brands. I feel like these brands are the one that made really Boxycharm pop even more. It was why I wanted to get more subscription boxes from Boxycharm, because of these brands. And hearing that they're coming again, I am loving that. So remember, these are possibly future items brands. He did confirm that these brands are coming. We just don't know when specifically and for which box. Now let's move on to BoxyLuxe. Now we're going to talk about the choice for BoxyLuxe, and this is for December. Choice for BoxyLuxe was Butte Beauty Company, the original Glam Smile Kit. Joe did reveal earlier on to let us know this was going to be choice. And as you know, for the choice item, we get to choose two items for BoxyLuxe. So this is the first choice between the original Glam Smile Kit and the Sassy by Stephanie Taylor. These are halo stud earrings. Wow, what a great choice for us to pick. And these were the only two items for choice number 2. Now let's talk about the first choice. The first choice, there's 3 items there. I don't know what to tell you guys about it because I didn't even know. I was a little surprised from what I did see, but I'm just gonna reveal to you guys what the choices are. Rockins Hot Mess Trio. I did receive a Rockins eyeliner. I believe it was a very thick eyeliner from this brand, so we've seen this brand before. KBD Vegan Beauty Dagger Tattoo Eyeliner. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. I've also received this item, so this was an interesting choice, but I don't know, for me, I was kind of expecting something just like this because of such a high expensive, high value luxury item that has been confirmed that everybody's going to be getting it. And as you know, it's Sunday Riley. The balance there is what I've noticed in the past, so that's why I wasn't shocked to see that for choice 1. And it was hard for me to choose because I didn't know which one to get, but I don't mind because I want this so bad. This is Sunday Riley Good Jeans. This is the lactic acid, and as you see, everybody's going to be getting it, and the worth of the box is going to be up to $580. This is another palette that was revealed before those choice items were shown. The Iconic London is going to be a face palette, and everybody's going to be receiving it. I am loving the colors. Has not disappointed me at all. So I'm impressed to see that everybody's going to be getting this in their luxe box. So now we see these two that everybody's going to be getting it, and these are the items more that we see that is coming to the Boxy Lux. Now, Spanish Instagram account that shared this with me, she received a beauty quiz and she sent this, and so now I'm wondering if this could possibly be a full box reveal for Boxy Lux. So here we see most of the items we have seen. We've seen the iconic London palette, we've seen the good jeans. Remember we saw the brushes recently, but it was in red, so this is interesting that they look totally different here. This was a choice item. Here we see Tarte and other products here. So this could be a full box reveal probably, or this could be another full box reveal where we see almost a similar items here, but anything that changes is from here on. So just be on the lookout, and yeah, there's some items here that I don't see that was mentioned recently, so this could be, maybe we might see maybe an item from here or two. I just wanted to share with you guys that this could probably be a full box reveal or maybe a variation for Boxy Lux. So now this is not confirmed. This was shared today as well in the back, and as you see, we are spotting Glow Recipe. The interesting thing, like I mentioned earlier, one of the brands that are coming, that he said that are coming in the future, he did not say when or for which box, he did mention Glow Recipe. So putting two and two together, this may be a possible confirmed spoiler for the future. And this Glow Recipe, this is one of the latest items, and this is a plump hyaluronic serum, and I'm excited to get another item from Glow Recipe. So guys, I want to thank you for you spending some of your time with me, seeing all these spoilers that we have for this year, for December, and now for January, which I'm so excited for. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful week and a safe week, and until the next video, bye.